Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Reine. In today's video, I'm going to review and install this beautiful wig from Unice hair. So guys, please stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Before we get into installing the wig, we need to unbox it first, guys. I love this new packaging from Unice hair. It's very beautiful, very girly and cute, you guys. Usually when you buy your wig, you get some gifts with it, and this time Unice sent me some really nice gifts, as you guys can see. So in this bag, they added 2 packs of wig caps, as you guys can see. But the wig caps are a bit different, and we'll get into that soon. Next, they added some lashes. The box is empty because I put the lashes on already. You guys will see it throughout the video. I got a headband to set my edges and my lace. And lastly, a makeup brush. Alright guys, so now onto the wig. This wig is in a body wave style. It's a 4x4 lace closure and the color is 33B. The wig is also 22 inches long. It's so beautiful, guys. I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not getting any shedding, as you can all see. The wig also came pre-plucked and the lace and the hairline are both very natural, so you don't need to do anything. Don't need to bleach it or even pluck it. And just like most wigs, it's got 2 combs on each side, one at the back, and it's also got some adjustable straps so you can tighten or loosen the wig.
I really need my yeah.
So now I'm ready to install the wig, you guys, and as you can all see, my hair is already braided. It's been like this for about a week or so. That is why it's looking a bit messy, but it doesn't matter. As long as your hair is flat, then that's what's important. We don't want any bulky looking wigs over here, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm using my red one hair wax and I'm making sure my hair is all slicked back before I put on the wig cap. So guys, this wig cap is different than the usual traditional wig cap that we're used to. As you can all see, it's much more see-through, and to be honest, this one is a lot stronger. Oh my god, yes. The purpose of a wig cap is to give you an extra layer of comfort and protection for your hair. So now, using my Got To Be Glued Free spray, I'm gonna create a very lazy ball cap. I'm literally just spraying until I feel satisfied and until I feel that is enough spray to stick the cap down, you guys. And then I'm gonna dry it up and then go ahead and cut the wig cap where my hairline starts. So guys, I'm cutting my wig cap right now, and as you can all see, I'm not really focusing too much on the sides. That's because the wig is a 4x4 closure, so it's only really the front that we're gonna be focusing on. So using the makeup brush Unice sent me and also my bronzer from Berry M, I'm going to use that to tint my wig cap so it's closer to my skin tone. So after doing that, I'm going to put the wig on, you guys. I always like to make sure the straps are on really tight before I put the wig on. To stick my wig on, I'm using my wig glue that I got on Amazon. The link of this will be in the description box, you guys. So as you can all see, I'm only adding the glue to the front, and using the tail of my comb, I will spread that evenly so that it dries faster. So after the glue has dried just a little bit, you want to carefully put the wig back in place. So my glue didn't dry entirely, as you guys can see. There's a little bit of white coming through, but it's okay. Next, I'm just gonna set that in place for a few minutes by tying it up, and that's gonna allow it to dry and stay in place.
A few minutes later.
After everything is dried, guys, it's time to cut off my lace. So now I'm going to use a pair of sharp scissors and I'm going to carefully cut off my lace. Using the same wig glue, I'm just making sure that the wig is well stuck on, especially in front. So I'm just putting a bit of glue on, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna dry that up with my hair dryer and then go ahead and customize the wig. Make sure that the wig looks natural, I'm just using a small brush and some foundation to define the middle part. So this part is completely optional, you don't have to do it. And next, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some baby hairs.
Hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Ayy, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Chevy ou et mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, ayy. 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 She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I'm making her wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage.
So guys, to make sure the wig is flat and to make sure everything lays flat and nice and natural, I'm using my hot comb. And I'm also going to define the curls a little bit more using my curling wand.
Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage. Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Oh my guys, I wouldn't trade.
So guys, as you can all see, my camera did change. I had to use a different camera because the one I was using died. So yeah, it still looks good though, so it's okay. So as you guys can see right now, I like to have the front of my hair a bit lifted. If you know what I mean, then you know what I mean. I don't really know how to explain this, but if you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll see it when it's done.
Yeah. If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together.
So as you guys can see, I'm done curling the hair. And I'm using a white tooth comb right now just to open the curls up, and this is gonna add more volume to the hair, as you guys can see.
Yeah. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, Maybach, Pyrex, Trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me. Niggas really had their back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me. When everything is put to rest and everybody takes a breath.
So guys, I like to spray a bit of my got to be gluten free spray in my hand and then run that through my curls. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it makes a really big difference for me. As you guys can see, one side is really neat and the other side isn't so neat. So this trick helps me to keep my hair neat and it makes your curls last a really long time.
When everything is put to rest and everybody takes a breath and everything gets addressed, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets.
So guys, that's me done installing this beautiful wig from Unice Hair. And like I mentioned previously, this is 22 inches long. So this is how it looks when it's down. Because it's a wavy wig, you're not going to see the full length. You'll have to either straighten it or pull it just like I'm doing to see that it's actually 22 inches long. Overall, this wig was very easy to install. The hairline looks beautiful and natural, and the color is 33B, but sometimes y'all it gives auburn, sometimes it gives brown, sometimes it gives red. It's just perfect for this season, fall or autumn. Guys, the link to everything will be in the description box, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.